So Project Matrix is here. This is right now I have installed and it's back after a long time. You can say it is now bringing you a new update which is based on the latest security patch and many more things. In this video, we will talk about some of the things included with this new version and also alongside with that some outstanding things available in this one. Let's quickly find it out. The biggest change with this new update is related to the strong integrity fix. Strong integrity is fixed by default. And how is it possible? This is possible with the help of this keybox option available in this case. This is enabled in this new update. So you just have to find out keybox XML. Right now with this new update, we have that keybox available. So you can find it on Project Matrix Telegram channel very easily. But if you need further more keyboxes, unfortunately no one can help you. You have to find it out on your own. Alongside that, we have strong integrity fix by default. The Google Play Store is also certified. Let me show you. The Google Play Store is also showing as certified, so no issues in this case. So you can definitely use this thing. This is one of the main highlights with this new update. So this new quick settings panel is also the part of the latest Project Matrix OS custom ROM. This new quick settings panel is actually available as an option. If you don't like it, you can simply move back and try out the default one. Default one is already enabled. You have to enable this new one by moving into settings and quick settings customizations. Although if you don't like it, you can simply use the default one. If you want to choose this new quick settings panel, which I'm using right now on my device, you can use this thing too. By the way, this new quick settings panel is inspired from Android 16. It has all the editing options, but unfortunately it has minor bugs here and there, so that is why some people don't like it. So the good thing is you have the option to revert back to the stock one. If you're looking forward to bootloader spoofing, what about bootloader spoofing? Bootloader spoofing is enabled, so which means your device is showing as bootloader as locked. So you can use some apps which rely on bootloader. I don't know which of these apps are, but available. So yes, you have this bootloader spoofing already enabled. You can use it on a device. So yes, we have that play integrity already fixed. Bootloader spoofing is also enabled with this new update. If you're looking forward to circle to search, it is also available in this case. You just have to circle anything and you'll be able to use it on your device. Circle to search has no issues in this case. It was expected that it will work and it is working as expectedly. By any chance, if it is not working for you, how you can enable it? This is enabled by default. You just have to update Google app once from your Google Play Store and then it should start working without any issues. So these were some noticeable changes available with the latest Project Matrix OS custom ROM. Although keep this thing in your mind that this is one of the most stable custom ROMs. It is because it is based on CRDroid. Also, it is having a lot of customizations for you. A lot of features are included with this new update. It was there too. And if you're looking forward to Android 16, many users are looking forward to Android 16. Unfortunately, Android 16 stable Android 16 in the form of custom ROM might take some time. For now, we have Android 15 based custom ROMs. Many custom ROMs are coming, so go and enjoy Android 15. And if you're looking forward to Android 16, make sure to subscribe the channel. I will talk about all the Android 16 based custom ROM. I will share all those Android 16 based custom ROM reviews very soon. So stay tuned. This is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next one.